Hey everybody, Steve Burns here from criminalillusion.com. So I wanted to share with everybody some of the things I've been seeing on our Facebook communities as to what some artists are actually and modelers are doing with these warp nacelle veneers. Now here's one. This is the smaller version for those who want to keep some of the details on the original nacelle here. And let's actually go to a view of what they actually did with this particular style. There it is. So, like I mentioned before, I designed the smaller one. It was requested that I design the smaller one so that they can keep a lot of the extra detail that's already on the nacelle itself. Now, this particular artist, and I apologize, I forget the artist who actually posted this piece. I downloaded and forgot to take note of it. And I apologize out there. Didn't mean to not give credit to this person. But you can see how they embedded it in there when they cut it out. But in addition to cutting it out, they allowed these protrusions to overlap. This little extra the details, square rectangular details here, to overlap it. So they bring it in from underneath. Here they added some additional piping on top to integrate more with the veneer. I thought that was very clever. Great job on that one. Now what I like to do is show you what I recommend for the longer nacelles that I designed. So, okay, here's the side of our nacelle, or Continua class Crayon nacelle. Now, what I did was I did similar to what you just saw. I kept some of these protrusions here, particularly the smaller ones on the right-hand side, and this larger little piece right over here. Let's go over here and actually turn on a little outline. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm recommending that, well, you guys do what you like, but I'm recommending that you create a cut out all this interior detail according to this particular shape. So once that has been cut out, there you go. All right, we got a little open space in there. Now the veneer for the this nacelle, it's going to go on the inside, so you're gonna paste it or glue it underneath it, coming from underneath it forward out, and you should look something like that. Okay, and of course you can add your extra piping to come on in to integrate with the piece, add other little details. You're welcome to do that as well. And these veneers are designed so that you can actually light from behind, probably a strip light, or maybe add some diffuse green plastic or something against there and put your strip light from inside the nacelle. I think that will look absolutely wonderful. Okay, so yeah, that was it. I just figured I would share that with everybody, and hopefully this video will help those out there who may be newer to modeling. I think most people who are buying these parts are experienced modelers and designers, so they can actually take them, cut them out, integrate them in, you know, in a variety of different ways to really make it look killer. Okay, all right, well, I'll put the link for those who want to order the longer pieces. Actually, the link I'm going to give you will allow you to purchase both two of the veneers and two of the torpedo launchers all in one. Okay, so all right, I'll put that link in the Facebook page. Just take a look down there, and you can go purchase yours. They're pretty inexpensive, but if anybody has any questions, feel free to message me. I'm always willing to chat, and message me with your cell phone number too. I'll be happy to call you to give you more details and ideas, and we can chat more about how you're using them, and I can share more with what I might be doing in the future with adding more details to modeling in general. Now, my skill sets, you know, also apply to any type of modeling. It could be Star Wars, it could be Babylon 5, or whatever you're into. So it's just a fun little game to play in terms of using our imaginations and living the dreams of the movies that we've all loved since childhood. Okay, everybody, that's it for now. More to come. Steve Burns from criminalillusion.com signing off.